Welcome back to The Power Within. Today, we're exploring one of the simplest yet most powerful tools for unlocking your inner strength, self-affirmation. It's often said that we are the stories we tell ourselves, and nowhere is this more true than in the way we speak to ourselves daily. The words you use to describe yourself, your abilities, and your potential shape your reality. They influence your actions, your confidence, and ultimately, your outcomes. Self-affirmation is more than just repeating feel-good phrases. It's a scientifically backed technique that can literally rewire your brain. Neuroscience shows that when we repeat positive affirmations, we create new neural pathways, allowing us to replace limiting beliefs with new empowering ones. Over time, this rewiring changes how we see ourselves and how we interact with the world around us. To get the most out of self-affirmation, it's important to choose affirmations that resonate deeply with you and who you want to become. These should reflect your goals, your values, and the kind of life you want to create. Say them aloud daily, first thing in the morning, before bed, or anytime you need a confidence boost. Even better, write them down and keep them somewhere you can see them often. Here's a practical tip. If you're listening to this on your mobile device, open up your Notes app and write down a few key affirmations right now. By keeping them handy, you'll be able to revisit them throughout the day, reinforcing that positive self-talk wherever you are. It might feel a bit awkward at first, but stick with it. You'll be amazed at how these simple statements begin to transform your mindset. Let's take a moment now for a guided affirmation practice. If you are in a place where you can do so, find a quiet space where you can focus. Take a deep breath, close your eyes, and repeat these words after me. Feel the power in each statement and visualize the truth of these affirmations becoming part of your daily reality. I am worthy of success and happiness. I deserve to live a life filled with joy and achievement. I believe in my abilities and I trust myself. I have the skills and wisdom to make the right choices for my life. I am capable of overcoming any challenge that comes my way. No obstacle is too great for me. I find strength and solutions in every situation. I am growing stronger and more confident every day. With each step, I am becoming more aligned with my true potential. I radiate positive energy and attract success. My mindset creates opportunities and I draw success toward me with ease. Remember, this is just the beginning. Self-affirmation is a daily practice that reinforces your inner power, helping you to step fully into the person you're meant to be. The more you practice, the stronger that inner voice of confidence will become. And soon enough, it will be the loudest voice you hear. Thank you for joining me today on The Power Within. If you found this episode helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a little extra encouragement. And remember, the power of change lies in the small, consistent actions you take every day. Start today with these affirmations and let your habits lead you to a brighter, more fulfilling future. See you next time.